Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok app if it's not working on Windows 11 or 10. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and find your search bar right here and just type down TikTok, just like so. Now, go ahead and go to the right panel and click on App Settings, okay? Click on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead and tap on Terminate right here. Click on it, and once done, click on Repair. Wait for the process to finish. Now go ahead and find TikTok and check if it helps, okay? Open it up. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and go back to the same setup page. Now click on Terminate, and now instead of Repair, we're going to click on Reset, okay? Click on Reset, reset right here. And once that's done again, go ahead and find TikTok and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, again, Terminate right here. Now go ahead and click on Uninstall, Uninstall. Wait for it. Now to check if it's uninstalled, go ahead and go to Installed Apps right here at the top. And just type down TikTok. If you can't find it, that means it's uninstalled. So close this one. Go ahead and find Microsoft Store. And just re-download TikTok from here. And that is how you fix TikTok app if it's not working on Windows 10 or 11. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.